Hello listener, welcome to SolidWorks Master Game CNC Learner. Today how to make mechanical engineers for welding ring in SolidWorks. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and here. Give the dimension, this circle dimension 150 and this circle dimension 140. Okay, now go to select, go to feature and extrude. I can extrude 30. Go to mid plane. Okay, now go to top plane and reference plane after 75. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the polyline 6 polyline. Select. Now this line control this line collinear. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to feature and extrude. We can extrude 12.50. Okay. Now go to direction true and up to next. Okay. This plane height. Exit. Now this plane height. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the circle here. Circle here. Select, keep the dimension 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. We can extrude 10. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. This line contour entities. Now go to feature and helix. We can helix constant pitch and revolution. We can use pitch 2 and revolution 4.75, 270 degree clockwise. Okay. Now go to reference plane and click here and here. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here, select. Keep the dimension circle 1.50. Okay. Now this point control this line. Pierce. Control Z. This line control this point. Pierce. Okay. Now go to again feature and exit. Now go to sweep cut. First click profile. It is a profile and go to path. This is a path. Okay. Okay, now make our job. Now go to this plane height. Go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to material use. We can use other non-material. We can use other materials, pure gold or pure gold. Apply. Okay. Now go to here and click here. Thank you all, everybody share and like. If have any question, you can write comment box.